Hey broom crew, we on the road again. We just pulled over because we gotta adjust the sway tension on the hitch, but we're back on the road. This is the first time I haven't been in the truck with the Toyo. Oh, okay, oh. As you can see from me dropping the camera, I'm a little bit...
The daredevil's brain, this feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it, you know.
This is the first time I'm not in the truck with her, and I feel a little bit anxious. After quarantining at the farm for so long, Toya was going a little bit stir crazy. So we're moving to a seasonal spot down south.
You gotta slow down.
So if you wonder why all these trucks are blowing, it's because they are getting a little too close to my baby. I don't like it. So I'm forming a buffer the way I'm driving. And yeah, don't like it. Don't like it. I'm trying to run it off the road. Don't like it. Not today, truck drivers. We spent most of last year boondocking with friends. Thanks, y'all. We only stayed at the campground for the first 48 hours back in last August of 2020. Here, the video's right here. Boop! So collectively, we spent less than 2 months in the RV park. But now, we're looking forward for this new season of our lives. Enjoy the beautiful landscape of the Garden State. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell for the notifications. We're here. Alright, I got here first because Toya had to go around to make this turn. You can see our site is a little bit of a fixer-upper, but we'll make the best of it. Alright, let's walk around the site a little bit. That's not right. That's not right. Come back to see how this gets fixed.